Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft. Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a vending machine. And sorry about the voice, very weird. So this is the vending machine. You just put stuff in it, and then it will come right up. So in order to make this, I will show you. In order to make this, you will need cobblestone, what else? This, ladder, slab, where's the slab? There's the slab. I think that's all. Wait. Okay, so we're gonna need put four by 6. One, two, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and leave a space on that one, not that one. The first one, that one. And now put some dirt. Just put dirt like this. So you put that, and you make like a little tunnel. Right? And pause it if I'm going too fast or something. And now you're gonna put the packed ice inside. Gonna put the packed ice. Okay. And now we need not a lava bucket, water bucket. Put it down like that. And almost forgot about the sun. Right there. Put the sun there. There we go. And now we just make it all up. Go up. Now we put the slab down there so we can see our stuff when all your friends, because you're putting your stuff in there. So we just make it this, that, and then repeat it again. And do not do the slab. Do not put it on a slab. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Why am I talking like this? So we do So we do a 4 of tall, like that, and now like this. Again, leave the hole. Sorry for the quietness in here. Okay, so yep, just like that. Now just like this, and you can just do like this. You can just I don't know, just this one. Like that, and put anything in the there. Put anything in the vending machine. So sorry for not explaining how it's a vending machine. Now I have two vending machines. So you just you put a ladder here, and put cobblestone wall. You go up, put anything in the vending machine. Wait, do it like that. Now put anything in the vending machine like cobblestone. And then it goes, and then it gives it to you. Bam. So that's how you make a vending machine. And I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me, because when I watch my videos, I can barely hear myself, so I'm sorry. And I'm making a parkour place, see? Parkour place. And I was making this is my house, and I was thinking, why won't we make a vending machine? Because everybody has a vending machine, right? So that's all for today. Bye, guys.